I'm Serhiy Dubinevich, founder and CEO at FuelWell Company. We introduce you to an innovative combustion improvement technology implemented as a plug-in device range for various internal combustion engines. FuelWell hardware reduces fuel consumption by up to 20% and CO2 emissions by 15%, which converts into carbon credits and allows various businesses to compensate for their carbon footprint and make a green contribution to the planet's good. In this FuelWell video, we'll jump into the gasoline private cars world with the installation procedure of the FW2G device model, which is designed for gasoline fuel consumption up to 12 liters per 100 kilometers, or not less than 20 miles per gallon, to the client on a Škoda Rapid sedan with a 1.6-liter gasoline engine manufactured in 2015. As you can see, our engineer, with the use of stock adapters and fuel hoses from the delivery set, carefully installs the device under the Škoda car hood. As our engineer admits, the process itself same by its complexity to the fuel or oil filter replacement procedure, and it typically takes no more than 1 hour. In order to get desired better fuel mileage, it's very important to pay attention to the FuelWell device fuel inlet and outlet sides and connect them in a correct direction. The fuel supply pipe should be connected first to the FuelWell inlet side. Then, fuel is pumped to fill the device with fuel. We typically use an external pump. Finally, the FuelWell outlet should be connected to the fuel pipe, which goes into the engine itself. Almost done here. The final step is to check that the device is securely mounted and that the fuel system is hermetically sealed. After this process, we start the engine and let it work for about 10 minutes at different revolutions. During and after this process, it's worth checking the fuel system's joints again for tightness and the device itself. Then you are welcome to proceed with normal driving, just like before, except enjoying better fuel mileage. We recommend you to join the number of our satisfied customers. Now, don't waste more time and money. Make a step forward to the beneficial, environmental consciousness. Visit FuelWell website and pre-order your FuelWell device already now with a great limited pre-order discounts.